guess what? I have a brand new channel and it called Lovely Smile. Ha! Because I'm lovely and I love to smile. So why not do what I gotta do? So now I come and clean up this kitchen before I go to school tomorrow. Usually I like to clean up in the night because when I clean up in the morning, people will eat and they will dirty the sink. So I like for everybody to be done eating and then I can go in the kitchen and clean up. And then tomorrow we can wake up to a brand new kitchen, everything clean, and we can start our day being clean. So now you see my mom cook, and after she done cooking I have to clean, but usually I clean in the night. So I already cleaned up the living room and the dining room, but I didn't want to show you our living room. So I'm like, I'm gonna show you the kitchen because I don't care. So now I come and wash this, clean up the sink, sweep the floor, and I go to bed. So this is the before, and I'll be washing my dishes. See how the kitchen look dirty. So yeah, I come and clean it up. So I hope you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Okay, enjoy washing. So that's it. Clean up the countertop, clean up. Okay. Okay, let me show you something from this thing you see here. This is the African blender. We call it mortar. Like the way you call your mom, we call this mortar. We put pepper in here. We put our seasoning, our spice, like all the things that can make food spicy. We put it in here and we beat it up. Instead of us using a blender, we use this. And I feel like it kind of like exercise because you use this to pound whatever you're doing, and you're using your screen to do that. So that's really good. So there's a motor, but in your American English, maybe you might call it blender because they use blender to blend a lot of stuff. We use this to blend things too. So yeah. I'm about to wash dishes. So wash my dishes. I'm done with my dishes. I clean here, hey. I wash my dishes. I make sure it's clean. I make sure everyone is done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done with my dishes. Yeah, dishes. Yeah, dishes. Yeah, dishes. I'm done washing them. Yeah, dishes. Oh yeah, dishes. Yeah, dishes. I'm done with my dishes. Yeah, done, 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 done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done with my dishes. I'm done. Hey, I'm done. Hey, I'm done. Done, done. I'm done with my dishes. Oh yeah, dishes. Yeah, I'm done. Dishes. Yeah, yeah, dishes. I'm done with my dishes. Yeah, done, done. Cleaning, done, done. Yeah, done, done. I'm done with my dishes. Yeah. So I'm done washing my dishes. And now I have to sweep the floor and I'll be done. So this how the kitchen look after I was done cleaning it. It looks super clean than it was. I sweep the floor and yeah, this is how our kitchen look now. I put the dishes here because I want it to get dry and then I can put it over there in the dish, whatever, you know what I'm talking about. So yeah.